out here walking and talking. And look who I see over here. I see Big Sal. Big Sal, ground pounder, true religion representative, man.
What's going on, baby?
How's that cross-country trip escort?
Listen, we'll talk about that off camera.
Off camera, okay. That's what he got. No comment?
No comment.
Okay, I see a lot of stuff going on. So
I'm proud of the females. They made it
through
all the different situations and difficulties.
Yeah.
A lot of stuff I probably would like to do better.
Yeah.
You know, we're here.
Well, you saying they was new to this part, so I figured on the home run it'd be more tightened up because they'll know what to expect and whatnot.
Well, I mean, I hope that they understand some of the stuff they learned. I didn't get a chance to teach them everything that they needed to learn. But you know, hopefully they'll get it together.
Okay. Because the sun and the weather is unforgiving. You're gonna find something out there somewhere. Yeah.
Period.
Hey, just letting y'all see what I see. Big Sale here on the set, Rare Breed 35th anniversary. Hey, as you see, we outside. That part. Nice. Hard dancing 131. All right. I see you.